Hi, I'm Martin Tatahi with Engel & Volkers, and right behind me is the pond that you get to use if you buy 8233 Whistling Duck in Fort Worth. There's not just a pond where you can fish, and it's a private pond by the way, but also there's luscious green jogging trails and biking trails. There is a playground for the kids. I'm going to show you all that here in a few minutes, but first let's go see inside of the house, a one-story with hardwood floors and a beautiful open concept, perfect for entertainment. Ready? Let's go.